Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing about the care of Phalaenopsis orchids after they are done blooming. You can see here this spike has so many beautiful blooms that have started to fade away. One flower clearly has dried out and soon all of them will dry out and fall. What we will be left out with is a bare spike which is not very pleasing to look at, but that doesn't mean that the spike is useless. Sometimes the spike can branch out and produce new stems or secondary spikes, or may rarely produce baby plants known as kikis, or may simply continue producing buds from the tip of the spike. After the blooms fall, the spike may continue remaining green or purple or whatever color it was initially, or may start drying out and turn yellow, starting from the tip to the base. If that is the case, then we can very well confidently trim the spike or cut it with a pair of clean scissors or pruners as close as to the base as possible without hurting the plant. The yellow dried spike is of no use and it won't produce anything. On the other hand, if the spike continues remaining green or doesn't change the color after the blooms fall, then the chances are pretty high that we may get a secondary spike or really a baby plant or kiki. We have to look carefully to find for an eye or a bud on the spike. As you can see here, this little triangular bump covered with sheath on this spike here, it has all the potential to produce secondary spikes or kikis. So in order to promote that, we have to cut the spike about 1 centimeter above it. The places where the flowers are there won't do anything once the flowers fall except for the tip, which may continue producing blooms. But when the tip is also dry, then we can cut the top portion of the spike between where the bottom flower was and the first eye or bud and leave rest portion of the spike as it is and discard the top portion. Soon the cut end will dry out and it will seal itself, and then one, two or multiple new branches will grow out from the nodes, and in some cases it may take some time. We have to be patient. This orchid had produced couple of spikes last year. After the blooms faded, I had cut the spikes just above the last eye and had left them, and this winter both of them produced secondary spikes, and along with that this plant has produced a primary spike. So you can see I have plenty of blooms on this one. As discussed earlier, sometimes the plants may produce baby plants from the nodes or eyes. This happens mostly when the mother plant undergoes some kind of stress. This is like the way of vegetatively propagating itself in order to keep the lineage continuing. Like this orchid of mine, it had suffered from spider mite attack last year and it lost quite a few leaves, but finally I got rid of the mites and now the orchid is still recovering. But last year's spike didn't dry out, instead it has put out this kiki. Sometimes even if the spike doesn't dry out, we may have to cut it completely so that the plant can spend energy on recovering, that is producing new leaves and roots and primary or brand new spikes the coming year. If the plant overall is healthy, and then we can leave the spikes and see if they can branch out and rebloom. The nodes have such great potential. This year I accidentally snapped this spike before blooming, and within a month or so the next node produced a secondary branch and I got these beautiful blooms. So after we have dealt with the spikes, we need to continue taking good care of the orchid. It is a good time to repot the orchid if not done earlier. Continue watering and fertilizing the orchid properly so that the orchid grows new leaves, new roots and brand new spikes the coming year. For details about how to care for your Phalaenopsis orchids, you can watch my video on this topic. I will leave the link in the description box below. So the message from today's video is that once the Phalaenopsis orchid is done blooming, it's not useless. Don't throw it away. It can rebloom from the same spike or can produce new spikes year after year with proper care. I hope you liked today's video. If you enjoyed watching this, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and feel free to leave any comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.